you asked, and today I'm answering. So let's go. Hey everyone, I'm Robel, and I asked you guys to send me some of your questions about editing, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and content creation, or anything you feel like you want to ask me. And on Instagram, while I was celebrating my 3,000 subscribers on YouTube here, and for those of you who subscribed, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your support. You're just, I just can't thank you enough. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. But you guys submitted your questions and I'm going to be answering them all. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And if you don't get the chance to ask me some questions, or if you missed the story, just make sure to drop your questions down below in the comments so that I can make a part 2 of this. I really like making this kind of interactive videos with you guys because it's fun, and yeah, why not, you know? So yeah, just make sure to comment down below. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So the first question I got was, who is your hero by video editing? So this is a really interesting question, and I think it's going to have some couple of layers because I take inspiration from a lot of creators, and some of I mentioned here and some of them are outside of this. But the first thing that comes to my mind with what I do right now is Malik Lombion, and I hope I pronounced his name right. He's a creator on Instagram. He creates hyperlapse video edits, and he inspired me to get into this hyperlapse video edits. And if you can see his videos, he creates a lot of hyperlapse travel video kind of stuff, and he used AI and the transitions and the match cuts and everything that just totally inspired me to do my own version of this type of edits. So he is one of my favorite creators to look up to. And another one is, when it comes to After Effects, VFX, and tutorials, Andrew Kramer. He made a video copilot, and he made a lot of plugins and the YouTube tutorials, and I used to binge watch all of his videos till today. I take a lot of inspiration from him, and he totally changed the game in the visual effects world. He is one of the GOATs, let's say. And so he is one of my inspirations as well. And another one is Cinecom.net. They don't exist currently as a group right now, but you can still check out their YouTube channel. They make a lot of visual effects that they replicate this visual effect that they see on the music videos or films, and they do it again. And I used to binge watch their content all the time, and they kind of inspired me to go into this visual effect world as well. So Cinecom.net, they're just amazing too. And in the cinematic world, where slow-paced editing, storytelling, I think one of the best creators right now is Gaux, and he makes a really cool video, and I aspire to make videos like him as well. And another one is also Sam Calder. Sam Calder, he makes travel videos around all over the world, and he makes edits, and storytelling is just so beautiful. And he kind of inspired me to make this type of videos where I travel and where I just edit and stuff. So he is one of my biggest inspirations as well. And another one is Peter McCannon. Peter McCannon, he is usually known by his photographs on Instagram, and also on YouTube. He makes a lot of fun videos and also some tutorials. Generally, I really watch his videos, and he is one of my inspirations when it comes to photography, and also his videos are really dope. Now he makes also some documentaries. He's just a dope creator, so he inspires me as well. And Ben TK, it's also like a creator like Sam Calder, but with more visual effects and transitions, fast-paced edits, and yeah, he really inspired me to make this type of videos that I am making right now. For example, the previous video, the Addis Ababa cinematic VFX video, one of the biggest inspiration inside it is Ben TK. And yeah, I kind of take some ideas, and yeah, he's just a really good creator. And the second question is, who is your favorite director? Well, I can list a lot here as well, but one of the best is Christopher Nolan. So he made Interstellar, The Dark Knight Rises, and Inception, a lot of movies that I really watch and like. And Interstellar is one of my favorite movies of all time. So yeah, Christopher Nolan. And another one is David Fincher. David Fincher, he made the movie Fight Club. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it. It's one of those classic movies, and I like the way he tells the story, and just everything about that movie is cool. So I really like him as well. And the third one, Quentin Tarantino, he is also really good, and he have a lot of classic movies, and I really look up to him as well. And last but not least, Haile Garima. He's an Ethiopian director, and he made a lot of movies as well. And one of my favorite movies is Teza, and it's just an amazing movie. I kind of cried when I watched it. Let's be honest. Hey, yeah, it was a good movie. Okay, don't judge me here. And yeah, these are few of my favorite directors, but I can list a lot. And another question was, when are we going to collab? And this came from my fellow Ethiopian creator on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, we can collab, but I have to come there. So I don't live in Ethiopia anymore, so it's kind of hard for me to come more often. So when I come back next time, I'll make sure we're going to collab. And I really want to collab with many creators as well, but yeah, it's just too tough to come more often there. So if this channel blows up and I get a lot of money, I'll come, okay? But until then, yeah, just make sure to subscribe and support me, and I'm sure I want to collab. And if we can't collab, maybe when I come, then we can do it online. So if you are crazies out there who want to do videos with me, just let me know and we can collab as well. And another question, how many years of experience do you have in video editing? When I started off making videos, I think it's like 5 years ago when I take it seriously. But I started as a photograph. Like, I like taking street photography, image manipulation. I used to do a lot of them, and this kind of evolved into this video and VFX. So yeah, if we talking about video, let's say 5 years. But yeah, the beginning was just far, since I was a teenager, let's say 7-8 years ago. Okay, another question, don't stop uploading. I will not stop uploading, and not to worry, I will keep making these videos, but I really need your support, so make sure, yeah, just help your boy out, man. What's up? But I will not stop making videos. This is a passion for me, and even if I don't make that type of big quality contents all the time, I'll still be making this type of videos. Alright. And another question was, how can we edit short photograph motion video? I actually made a tutorial on that, actually 2 video tutorials, so make sure to check them out. I'll put them on the card up here or somewhere in the description, you'll find it. And you can edit still photos into motion, and you can use it as a music visualizer or whatever you yeah, just like your imagination takes you. But the techniques are there. You can check them out down below. So this is what I have for you today. I selected a couple of questions from my Instagram. So if you want to ask me more questions, make sure to drop them down below in the comments so that I can make a part 2 of this or something. So yeah, and make sure to like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.